Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets using the latest tools and organizing all kinds of data. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop and go to *sheets, Google.com*. Sign in to your Google account if needed, then open the boxes. Once your spreadsheet is open, select the cell or range of cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. For example, if you're creating a task list, you might select the cells in the first column next to each task. After selecting the cells, click the *insert ** menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, choose ** checkbox*. Google Sheets will instantly add a checkbox to every selected cell. Now you can click any checkbox to mark it as completed. A checked box represents true **, while an unchecked box represents false **. This is useful because you can use checkboxes with formulas, filters, and formatting to automate your spreadsheet. If you want to add checkboxes to a large list, simply select all the cells first, choosing ** insert ** and checkbox **. Google Sheets will place a check time. You can also customize how checkboxes work. Select the checkbox cells, click **